This video provides information from the internet, and we do not promote any products or medicines. Always consult a doctor before using any medication. We are not responsible for any side effects or issues resulting from self-medication.
This syrup is a well-known antihistamine medication primarily used for managing allergic conditions. It effectively alleviates symptoms associated with allergies, providing relief to individuals suffering from various allergic responses. With its active ingredient cyproheptadine, it interacts with specific receptors in the body, ensuring a significant reduction in discomfort caused by allergies. Indications and uses. The syrup is utilized to manage a variety of allergic conditions in both adults and children over the age of 2. It is particularly effective for seasonal and perennial rhinitis, vasomotor rhinitis, allergic conjunctivitis, urticaria, and angioedema. Additionally, it serves as an adjuvant therapy for serious allergic reactions, helping to ameliorate symptoms following blood or plasma transfusions. Its multifaceted applications make it a valuable option for those dealing with persistent allergic reactions. How it works. This medication operates by binding to and blocking specific receptors in the body that histamine typically binds to. Histamine is a natural mediator that plays a significant role in allergic responses, causing symptoms like inflammation, itching, and irritation. By preventing histamine from exerting its effects, the syrup effectively alleviates the symptoms associated with various allergic conditions, offering much-needed relief. Directions for use. It is essential to take this medication as directed by a healthcare professional. Patients should shake the syrup well before use, and the correct dosage will be determined by the doctor based on individual factors such as age, body weight, and specific health conditions. Adhering to the prescribed frequency and duration of use is crucial for achieving optimal results. Possible side effects. Common side effects may include dizziness, drowsiness, and confusion. In some cases, more severe effects such as tachycardia or hallucinations may occur. It's important to monitor any symptoms experienced and consult a healthcare provider if they worsen. Precautions and warnings. Caution is advised for certain populations, including pregnant women, breastfeeding mothers, and the elderly with specific health conditions. It should not be used by individuals with a history of angle closure glaucoma, severe kidney disease, or those taking certain medications like antidepressants. Always consult a healthcare professional prior to use to ensure safety and appropriate management. FAQs. 1. Does this syrup make you gain weight? Yes, it can stimulate appetite and promote weight gain. 2. Can it be used for insect bites? Yes, it helps manage allergic reactions from insect bites. 3. Can I take it with antidepressants? No, it is not recommended due to potential interactions. 4. Does it make you feel sleepy? Yes, it can cause drowsiness. Avoid driving after use. 5. How long should I take it? Only as long as prescribed by your healthcare provider. Thank you for watching. We hope this video provided valuable insights into the uses and precautions of this syrup. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more health-related content.